Do you want to extend your images into 16 by 9 aspect ratio but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video I will let you know how you can extend your photos into 16 by 9 aspect ratio free of cost with few simple steps. So let's start the video. So this is the image. We will extend aspect ratio of this image. First of all, open your browser and then search image extender. Then you will see this kind of page. You will see the website Pixel Cut. Open this website in new tab. Then you will see this kind of page. Here you will see two options, upload image and drag and drop images. I will click on upload image. Then I have to select a photo and then open it into this website. Here we go. Then you will see aspect ratio option on right hand side. Click on that and you can select your desired aspect ratio. I am selecting 16 by 9 and after that click on generate and processing will start, and after some time the image will be extended into 16 by 9 ratio. Here we go, image has been extended and you can see the quality of the picture is very good. You will see download option on the top. Click on download and image will be downloaded into your PC. Here we go. Now I am opening the picture and let's see the old picture. This is the old one and this is the new one. So friends, this is how you can extend your aspect ratio with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell icon as well for more videos like this. Take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.